Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, it is given that there is a large number of liquid drops, each of radius r, collect and form a single drop of radius r, and the energy released in this process is converted into the kinetic energy of the big drop. Now we have to find the speed of the big drop. So first of all, we can say that work done during this process is equals to W is equals to T into delta A, that is surface tension into change in area. So we can say that work done becomes that is T into that is initial surface tension surface area, that is 4 pi r square into n minus final surface area, that is 4 pi r square. So we can say this will comes out to be T into 4 pi, this is nr square minus r square. Now in this process the mass remains constant, so we can say that here mass is constant. So mass of the smaller bubble is equals to mass of the bigger bubble. So we can say that because density is also constant, so finally we can say that volume is constant. So this is n into 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. From here we can say that this work done is equals to kinetic energy. So we can say that half m v square is equals to this is T into 4 pi into this is nr square minus r square, or I can say this is 1 by 2. Mass is given by that is 4 by 3 into pi r cube into density, that is rho, into v square is equals to this is T into 4 pi into n r square minus r square. So from here we can say that speed v becomes this is under root of 6t upon rho into this is nr square upon r cube minus r square upon r cube. So finally we can say this will comes out to be under root of 60 by rho into this is 1 upon r minus 1 upon r. So this is the answer of our given question, and for that we can say option D is the correct choice. This relation we have calculated above because we find that n into 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to this is 4 by 3 of pi r cube. So from here we can say that nr cube is equals to this is capital R cube, or I can say this can be written as nr square into r is equals to r cube. From here we can say that nr square upon r cube is equals to this is 1 by r. So this relation I am using here. So this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.